Can you guys hear me? Sorry about that, guys. So I'm going live here on YouTube. It's been a while. I titled this video, How to Trade Bitcoin on a Demo Account on TradingView. So, I guess YouTube has a new platform for doing live videos. I haven't made videos in a while. Guys, I have the link in the description. You can actually start a free account with TradingView. It's a place where you have charts and stuff like that. But I'm going to show you. You can actually trade for free on the demo account. You can trade anything in here. I'm doing Bitcoin at the moment. Bitcoin to the US dollar. Once you create an account, I actually have a few indicators that I'm using. Let me just refresh the page here. I placed the trade, but I'm going to show you how to place the trade. Once you create an account, I actually have it in dark mode. I'll put more videos on these. I've been actually practicing. I took a little trade here on a demo account, and once you create an account, you come over here to paper trading. You click on that, and it's going to have some companies. Actually, there's going to have a TradingView. It's going to say paper trading. You want to click on that. And then what will happen is, as you can see, they'll give you 100,000 credit dollars in your account in a way that you can actually trade. Okay. Of course, this is not real money. This is just a demo account for you to practice. That way you can see if your strategies work or not. That way before you actually risk your money. I was up. Now I'm going probably in the negatives for a little bit here. But that's fine. We're actually actually I put that it was going to go down. What is that? 0. If I go to Google, let me just show you 0.2. Hold on a second. Let me go to BTC to USD. So on that trade. It's about $2,000 trade. All right. But once again, it's not real money, right? So this is where you can actually, for example, if I were to put a real trade, I'll be up almost 2%. You can see right there. So this is a good way to see. As you can see, I'm up a little bit there. You can see your strategies in here. How do you place a bet? Once you create your account, now I am a pro. I paid. I pay for the whole year. I pay for the whole year, but they actually give you a discount. You don't have to. You can try it off for free once you create an account with TradingView, and then once again set up your chart. How do you do that? When you're over here, just in the search bar, just look for the pairs. Like if you want to do Apple, if you want to do Google, or the dollar versus the Japanese dollar or the Mexico peso, or whatever you want, right? But in our case, it's BTC, USD. Okay, and then they have a lot of them in here that you can actually choose the graphs for. The one I'm using is the one for Coinbase. So this is the one I'm using, BTC for Coinbase. You want to click on that, and then it actually bring you to a chart. Yours might look. Let me see. If you right click on the screen, you can go light mode. So as you can see, it's kind of bright. But if I like to use the dark, so I go to color theme. I go dark. It's a little bit easier on the eyes. But just to give you guys an idea. Right, so when I started, as you can see, I have a trade in here. It's up a little bit. It's going to go up and down. I actually have some indicators here that they're free. I found in here, and I developed a strategy it's been working, and that's why I'm using this account to test. That way, before I actually go out there and actually, take and risk your money, right? That way you can see if your indicators and your strategy work. If you can get more winning trades than losing trades, then your strategy pretty much works, and you just take it into effect. And then you can try that strategy using real money. As you can see, I would have been up, and you can set any time. I think if I close the position, I'll wait until I go up to like a 2% or something. It's going to go up and down because, of course, Bitcoin goes up and down. Another indicator that you can use is actually the candles themselves. I'm going to give you guys a tip for you guys that are out there trading Bitcoin, and maybe you haven't got any good trades. My best advice for you is to use these Heikin candles. I don't know if I even said that correctly or not, but Heikin or some Heikin candles. Use them as an indicator. All right. One way you could do that is if you go to a higher time frame, for example, the 4 hour. Okay. So as you can see, I'll give you an example here. Let's say you're watching your 4 hour and you see that it had 12 hours because each candle is 1 hour, right? Each candle is each candle is 4 hours. So we had 12 hours of just the price falling. Okay. So once you see it turn green, it's an obvious sign. Of course, you might have something like this where, it's not always going to go in your direction. But that's why you do small trades until you get confirmation. And pretty much a confirmation would be 1 or 2 candles. But once again, 1 or 2 candles and it can switch on you. But I recommend you watching videos on how to read these candles. It's pretty obvious. The shadows or the wicks on top versus the body, right? As the body gets bigger, you have a stronger trend of an upwards motion. So, if you come in here and you see the next one going up, more likely this one's going to be higher until the bodies once again get shorter. All right, guys, I've been testing and I've been looking at videos, and just to explain, this is an awesome trading strategy itself. You really don't need all these fancy indicators like the ones I have, but they do help. I'm using this indicator that actually tells you when to buy and when to sell. I actually, on this trading account, as you can see, I'm up 2.5%, right? 5.9 at the moment. And it's going to go up and down. But with this indicator, once it turns at a longer period, once it turns green, you can see you can ride this wave all the way up here. You're talking about some good gains there. Guys, I don't want to say too much, but pretty much that's the strategy. I'll wait for this to go back. I was about to sell just to show you the profit there. Well, right now, and it's going to go up and down. Well, right now, on the 4 hour candles, as of today, we had 8 hours of down. It's been going, the price has actually been going down. And I'm not going to talk to you guys with all these big terms and all this stuff that all these other gurus and big traders are using. I'm just a normal guy who is getting into trading, and I got a little strategy that I developed, and so far it's been working pretty good. Guys, hopefully you like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Once again, you can try TradingView for free. They do have you can upgrade if you want. It's up to you. You don't have to. If you go in there, you'll see what they give you if you actually upgrade. But I think with the free version, you can still use indicators and stuff like that. There's plenty of videos out there on YouTube. I'm actually still learning more about this trading. I'm new at it, but with this kind of a method, you can actually just trade, right? You don't have to, you can just trade your home, the comfort of your home, and you don't have to bother anybody. But once again, guys, thanks for watching the video. If you leave any comments or anything like that, I'll get back with you. Once again, be safe, God bless, and I'll see you guys in another video. Take care for now.